Oscar Acoustics ISO mount soundproofing brings professional-grade noise insulation to everyday homes, giving your customers the freedom to be themselves, indulging in that hobby they've always wanted to try, or simply enjoying a few moments of peace and quiet. All without disturbing the neighbours or each other. And best of all, it's simple. But how does noise transfer between floors? Sound passes through ceilings and floors as vibration and emerges as sound pressure waves generated by footsteps, music, or voices. These penetrate and travel through floorboards, joists, and ceilings in the form of vibration and noise. How can you significantly reduce this noise? By creating an isolated floating ceiling using our Oscar ISO-mount acoustic hanger range. You will stop the vibration that causes the transfer of unwanted noise between floors. There are 3 types of ISO-mount hangers. Type 1 for joists. Type 2 for installation where plasterboard ceilings can't be removed, for example in listed buildings, or under concrete. And Type 3 for joists through plasterboard or into concrete, with height adjustment for level ceilings. Type 2 comes with extensions for deeper voids, and they're all equally easy to install. It's all done from the room below, and installation is fast, simple, and cost-effective. With Type 1, the minimum of ceiling height is lost, it's height adjustable, and it's safe. With a fire rating of up to 90 minutes where required, ISO-mount complies with British building regulations for airborne and impact sound, and provides class-leading acoustic performance without the hefty price tag, giving your customer a simple, safe, and affordable route to peace and quiet.
There are many companies offering solutions to reduce or eliminate noise, so why choose Oscar Acoustics? Well, we have a long history of providing acoustic and soundproofing solutions. In fact, we've been doing it for over 40 years, so it's something we really understand. In that time, we've become one of Britain's leading companies in the sector. We have custom solutions for every building, from offices, educational, to entertainment venues and hospitality. Our wealth of experience and compliance record is something we're very proud of. And we're also proud of ISO-mount, our own high-performance soundproofing system for ceilings. British-made and space-saving, ISO-mount has revolutionised noise transfer reduction. Talk to us today, and we'll help you find the best solution for your project design and budget.